Diablo que chereo, me cogí un caso y apuntaron el dedo. Ya no era el rey del perreo, ahora era tecato y otro posible reo. Que me metieran preso, todos dijeron, mal los veo. Yo no les creo, a su sistema de reformación ingrato. A mí me arrestaron de puerco por pasar el rato. Y yo aquí pichando, aguantando, callando. Si nadie es perfecto, ¿de qué me están juzgando? Ya sé con mi vida lo que cualquiera puede. Vivir como quiere, tener sus placeres. Mi gente, yo no sé.
Stop what you're doing, cause I'm about to ruin the image and the style that you're used to. I look funny, but yo, I'm making money, see? So yo, world, I hope you're ready for me. Now gather round. I'm the new fool in town, and my sound's laid down by the underground. I drink a bottle of Hennessy you got on your shelf, so just let me introduce myself. My name is Humpty. Pronounce
we mud bogging, you stuck watching, wishing you can be with us cause the party poppin'. You say you can dig, man, we ain't seen nothing. Your girl wanna be with us, now I heard she said she want a mud digger. We keep the mud by the pound, our tires stay roaring while we riding through the town. Mud digger, and I keep a bad truck around. Big truck, tall suspension 40 inches from the ground. Mud digger, and my Chevy sitting on 44s, pipes louder than glass packs, straight pipes, y'all know. Mud digger, but y'all don't know.